Corinne, can you tell me what you noticed about the beehive the other day?
It start getting like crowded and swarmed. So the queen bee would go out and the worker bees will follow the queen bee, and then they'll make this swarm, like a little swarm ball, and then they'll start sending worker bees out to find some hives, and then they'll go out to like find some hives, and then they'll come back and bring several bees or whatever amount, and then they'll go and verification that hive, and then they'll come back and they'll start try to convince the queen and the other worker bees, and then they'll go to that hive, whatever it is, and then they'll like check it, and they'll see if the other worker bees and like the queen likes it or something, and then they'll like, if they like it, they'll just stay there and start making their new home there.
And they'll just kind of move in, won't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What happens in the hive that we still have?
It will the queen bee left some eggs there, so the first girl that comes hatches out of their eggs. The first girl would crush all the other eggs, and then she'll probably probably the worker bees will probably carry the things out, and then she will start making her own eggs.
So the queen lays a certain number of eggs at the end, and the first one out becomes the new queen?
Queen, yeah.
Good job. I'm so glad you noticed that.